guys, it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm out on a solo mission for some monster bluegill, and possibly some bass. Right now I'm running a big tube jig on one rod, and on the other rod I'm going to be running a spinnerbait, just a mini beetle spin, but I'm going for after the big gills, so I want to use some bigger baits for the big gills. So, here we go. I'm going to get all set up, and I'll get back to you guys when I get a fish. Alright guys, well, I forgot to turn the camera on, but I hooked in my first fish of the day, and it is pulling. Oh my. You know why it's pulling, guys? Because it's a slob gill. Look at that size of that gill. That's an easy 9.5 inches. And you guys want to see how big the bait is that I'm using? Big old gill. Back in the water. She came on a big old minnow. 2-inch bait right there. Gone down his throat. Alright guys, I hooked in something really big. Oh my god, guys. This was a 1. Oh, he's not even that big. I mean, he's a tank. But he just got wrapped up. Look at how they're eating this jig. There's no jig left. Right there is a nice male. Right out of post spawn. We had a light year this year due to high waters and cold temperatures. That's just the kind that I was looking for. So, that's fish 3, I think. And I've been out for a while, so we definitely gotta find a school of them. And that was the first big one. I gotta try to find the big ones that I was after. But I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Guys, alright, we found them. Oh, this is another big one, guys. This is another big one. Oh, yeah. Nice one. This one's a nice big female right out of post spawn, too. Same on the big jig. I'm not keeping any fish today, guys. Just out here for fun trying to catch some slabs. All I'm running right now, guys, is a Shakespeare micro series. I'm running a 7-foot on a quantum tracks with 6-pound test. With a little split shot and a little tube jig head. With a little piece of minnow gulp tail on the backside. Here's another one, guys. Guys, we found the pot of them. This is like my 7th spot. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my. These fish are slabs today. I have to show you guys some pictures of the ones yesterday. I did a video yesterday. But we caught some that made this fish look tiny. And this fish is like 9 inches. So, yeah. We just gotta keep getting down there and keep catching fish, guys. Oh. This is another big one, guys. This one might be the big one. Oh, yeah. Just a little guy. They're just fighting really hard. Just a little guy, guys. Still looking for that big one. I know that big one's in this pot of them. We just gotta find him. This is a nice one, guys. Unless it's just another fighter. No, no, oh, guys. Guys. Look at how we ate that minnow. Look at how big that minnow. But we're not worried about the minnow. We're worried about the size of that bluegill. Look at the size of my hand. Alright. My hand's gone. That's as wide as I can put my thumb up. That's as low as I can put my pinky. So if I do this kind of thing, that fish has all of this taken up. That's pushing 10 inches, maybe even 11, I don't know. Let's get him down back at home. That was the one we were after. Let's try to get some more of them now. Guys, either this fish is all tangled up, or this fish is no joke. I played him for like 20 seconds before I turned the camera on. Oh my god, guys. Might be the biggest pumpkin that I've ever caught. This is my new favorite lake. Listen to me. Look at the size of that pumpkin seed. I'll put my hand up to it again. And with its gills gone and my hand's closed, it's like my hand's gone. That is a monster, guys. I'll drop her back down. This is why I'm out on this lake fishing. But I don't know what that was. Alright, I'm gonna go just get some more ones. There we go. Oh, guys, these fish are big. These fish are big. This is the big school. This is the big school. Look at how a bluegill. Look how a bluegill's eating a 2-inch jig. Minnow pattern and big gills. It's places like this that you don't see anymore. I've caught more big gills in this lake in the last 2 days than I have all year. Like yesterday, I caught so many big gills. Today's the only day that I'm recording. And I'm still gonna have enough for probably 2 videos. Or 1 long one. Like, there's so many big gills in this lake. Guys. Like, there's another one right there. Oh, this one, oh, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. Like the last couple of days, this 8-incher, this has been a tiny one for us. Like, there are some monsters in this lake that are scary huge. Alright, I'm gonna get back out there and try to catch some more, guys. This is just crazy. Guys, I found a pot of them. I had my camera turned off and I caught like 4 in a row. So I finally turned the camera back on. And right at the drop, I got another fish. This is just a little one. I changed up patterns and I went to some little buggy pattern. And the fish seem to be liking this one too. So that's good. I'm gonna have to go try for some bass in a little bit though, guys. I got a flopper, and the bass seem to be pretty fun in this lake. I've only got a couple. Oh, guys, this one's a nice one. This one's moving my boat. Oh yeah, guys, that's a nice one. Yep, yeah, that's a nice one, guys. Fed that one, guys. It's a nice big one. Nice big one. Get back down there. There seems to be a lot of them down there.